life is all about celebrating, and that celebration acquires a new height when you have elevator here at this Vaishnav Temple of New York that was inaugurated today. And I would like to begin with you. आपको कैसा लगा ये?
It's a very good suggestion for the especially for the elderly people who cannot climb steps and they miss the darshan. Now they will not miss the darshan. And Thakur ji kripa rahegi, they will all come to the darshan and they will enjoy the function.
ये जो आयोजन है विशेष करके जो एलिवेटर का इनॉग्रेशन है ये कई सालों का सपना पूरा हुआ है। आप बताइए कैसा आपको लग रहा है और कितना इम्पोर्टेंट आप इसको मानती हैं इस एलिवेटर का इस मंदिर में सीनियर्स के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से होना?
तो पहले तो मैं ये कहूँगी कि दिस इज़ अ वेरी ऑस्पिशियस डे। आई एम सो हैप्पी टू बी हियर और इतना अच्छा लगा लोगों की खुशी देख के, क्योंकि मुझे पता है आई ऑलवेज कम हियर और यू नो द वेरियस इवेंट्स एंड प्रोग्राम्स एंड आई लव टू कम एंड मीट पीपल एंड पार्टिसिपेट एंड आज जो लोगों के चेहरे पे खुशी थी ना, और जैसे आपने कहा स्पेशली सीनियर्स के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, दैट वाज अमेजिंग बिकॉज ये एक सिर्फ कन्वीनियंस नहीं, फॉर फ्यू पीपल इट्स अ नेसेसिटी एंड हम जितना भी उनको फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड कर सकें, क्योंकि अभी मैं बाहर किसी से बात कर रही थी, somebody said कि आई लव कमिंग हियर और मैं जब वहाँ बैठ के और भगवान की भजन सुनती हूँ तो आई फील सो कनेक्टेड कि मैं भूल जाती हूँ कि घर में क्या चल रहा है ना, फैमिली में क्या चल रहा है, बच्चों की लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है. सो यू नो व्हाट, टू गिव समवन दिस काइंड ऑफ लाइक एक्स्ट्रा हेल्प, एक्स्ट्रा हैंड, okay, come here, sit with us, forget about anything else, get connected and feel good.
Absolutely.
So it's so amazing.
It is not just the elevation through elevator, but the elevation of level of consciousness. And for that, I would also like to give credit to Ragini ji in her own way. She has mingled with the community and participated in different types of organizations.
Right.
So, what have you learned over a period of years, having served with Suffolk County in the position that you hold, which again is a source of pride for Indian American community? So, again, coming back to the question, coming to Vaishnav Temple of New York and mingling with the community through different organizations, what is the key lesson that you feel Ragini has learned?
Very interesting question. You know, sometimes you say all these thought-provoking and questions. I really appreciate it. And when Ragini Srivastava, the town clerk, Northampton, and you know, I feel I'm very privileged and blessed that I get this opportunity, that people, you know, let me know or invite me, and I come there not just to support the cause but also get a chance to meet people and listen to them and understand. So the key thing that I felt is that human bonding. So what I saw is, you know, somebody is going through something, and then and this is a fact that I met one couple in one of the temples, and again there was a Garba there, I met again them here, and there are other few friends, and they were talking about how they are dealing with their, you know, something, some situation that they were going through. It became a kind of lesson and educational and kind of awareness thing for the other three people who were standing there. So how, as humans, how our participation is helping others, you know, educating and you know, spreading that awareness and also giving them this support that hey, we all are here together as human under one God.
But Hariraj is a source of love for many people, and he is our leader as an entrepreneur as well as a community leader. So, Hariraj, how significant is this elevator as per your perception?
My perception, elevator was very urgent for not for today,
Right.
but before 10 years also, you
Right,
know.
right.
But because of finance problem or because of the permission from the government, it was delayed. But now I think it's very important for the older people, and more Vaishnava will come to attend the function, event, and darshan no के लिए आएंगे लोग समझने के लिए, and that's why the elevator
चित्रा नाये चोरनी मोहिनी लागी रे काला 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 चोरनी मोहिनी लागी श्याम सुंदर रूपनी मोहिनी लागी जगत नाये भूपनी मोहिनी लागी रे जगत नाये भूपनी मोहिनी लागी रे काला 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 चोरनी मोहिनी लागी श्याम सुंदर रूपनी मोहिनी लागी
I'm Hiren Vyas and I worked for elevators for the last 35 years, run the whole New York City for 21 years, for 80,000 elevators. It was my pleasure to do this project, and I really appreciate Pakaji and Anil Bhai to trust me on this project. It came out very nice. So one thing I tell you, disability is not a choice. It is either the birth defect, either accident, or aging. So whenever we need to help, people are in need, we have to step forward, and this is a great cause that we are putting this elevator for the temple.
This is the moment we've been waiting for so many years, and finally our dream came true. So give a big round of applause for that.
सेल्फी वीडियो ले रहा हूँ, ये सब लोग एक एलिवेटर के आगमन की प्रतीक्षा कर रहे हैं। तो ये एलिवेटर पहली बार यहाँ पे बना। मीना जी, कैसा आपको लग रहा है? मुझे ना आज वो अरविंद काका की बहुत याद आ रही है। सबसे पहले चलिए, धन्यवाद धन्यवाद। तो नीचे उद्घाटन हुआ है। अब ये जो स्थान है,
एलिवेटर
यहाँ
ऊपर
से
आ रही है।
एलिवेटर आने वाला है।
फर्स्ट फ्लाइट आ रही है।
पहली फ्लाइट आने वाली है।
आ गया रे भाई साहब, बराबर दिया ने।
नरेंद्र भाई बोला भाई। बस साहब
क्या बात है
Goodbye, you are our another main donor for the elevator and our trustees too. Kalpana and goodbye.
From 2000, beginning of 19, Kalpana Ben talked with the Dr. Arvind Saha, and then he said, where the money come from? And we just said, we are going to participate with them. He started the plan at that time. And that was the starting for my wife Kalpana.
થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ સૌને જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. એલિવેટર જેમ આપણે ઉંમર થતી જાય છે એમ એમની જરૂરિયાત લાગે જ છે, કારણ કે જ્યારે આપણે હવેલી લીધી ત્યારે કોઈને ખ્યાલ પણ નહોતો આવતો કે આપણે એલિવેટર જોશે, પરંતુ એઝ ધ ટાઈમ ગોઝ બાય વી રિયલાઇઝ ધ નીડ ઓફ એલિવેટર, અને અત્યારે એ સપનું સાકાર થયું છે. એના માટે અનિલભાઈ અને એની આખી ટીમને કોંગ્રેચ્યુલેશન્સ. થેન્ક યુ.
So Thakur ji ki kripa is the key word. Hiren ji, Thakur ji ki kripa, when it translates into execution, someone like you comes to the help for making this elevator. Talk to me about your experience of being a part of this project and interacting with Anil ji and other members of Vaishnav Temple.
So nowadays, as we know, elevator is not a luxury anymore. It is a basic necessity for the people with the physical challenges. And physical challenge happens to anybody, either through accident, through aging, and you have no control over it. So basically, elevator is a key element for the building transportation to transfer the people in different level of the building. So when working with Pakaji Anil Bhai, great experience. I've been working in the elevator industry for 35 years, running in New York City elevators for 21 years. I'm also advisor for the governor for elevator safety, and it's always my privilege to do this project. And thank you for this opportunity.
Appreciate here my made people clap, because when you come to know that elevators in New York also has contribution from some Indian American in a very special way. So Hiranbhai and Arvindbhai, you not only are a part of the family of Vaishno Temple, but also you have been a part of this project. Talk to me how you feel today.
Jai Shri Krishna. My name is Arvind Daria. We started this plan in 2019. We suggested with my wife to Dr. Arvind Shah, let we start with our senior citizen people, especially. At that time we are young, 5 years before. But now my wife really in the elevator. And that was the great success, great project, help from the Anil Bhai, Pakaji, and all these people help us as a teamwork, and it's a great success for our senior citizen group. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So thanking Arvind Bhai and Anil Bhai as chairman of Vaishno Temple of New York. With you, as I was remembering, Dr. Arvind Shah ji, prior he served the temple as chairman, and I heard about this vision or this dream of having elevator here. So there are multiple emotions that one feels in addition to having this facility. Your thoughts today?
Yes, Jai Shri Krishna. My name is Anil Shah, chairman Vaishno Temple of New York. As Arvind Bhai said, from 2019, there was a vision for all the trustees when the proposal came in. And Arvind Uncle says, we do have our senior group in the Vaishno Temple, and seniors are nahi, but they do need a help to go to darshan upstairs. We and Pakaji, with the different architect, we went to so many different locations where to put the elevator. Because town requirement, every inch you increase the space, we have to provide them a parking. We went to so many plus minus location. We went to town so many. Hiranbhai helped us out. At the end, we came with the conclusion and the location we found it and was able to do it. So today, I think Arvind Uncle from upstairs, he's probably blessing. He's happy that one of his vision that he wanted to do, we fulfilled today. And I'm so happy and so glad to do it today in front of many people came in today. Today we had Amrakunj Manorath, and the same day we have our elevator opening. So to bless Srinathji, and I'm so happy, I'm so glad. Now people will take advantage and all the seniors will be very happy.
So one, that sense of happiness continues, and one can palpably feel a special sense of grace of Srinathji today here. As you mentioned about the Manorath, Amra, and of course the presence of elevator, and Pakaji and Harshad Bhai, we all refer to him as Pakaji with love, so I continue with that. So Pakaji, when you think, say, few months down, someone who comes here, he would not even imagine that there was a time when this elevator was not there. We get used to whatever comes to us. Overall, how challenging it has been to come to this day.
Thank you, Ashok ji. Jai Shri Krishna, Sarvene. The elevator, when we decided to put elevator, we designed for the place of the elevator, it was so challenging, and it took us almost more than a year to get the permit and get the approval of this elevator, because for the elevator we need our accessible ramp for the handicapped people. Now we do not have a place to keep ramp anywhere. So what we decide to do this our dining area first, and for the dining area we take a exit, secondary exit, and we use as a ramp, and secondary the same ramp we use for the elevator. So it is challenging, time consuming, but finally with help of donors, absolutely donors are the main supporters, and Hiren Bhai and also Bade Jignesh Bhai was part of helping me in this project. So we have so many hard times, so many challenging. Finally, we have to move the sewer system because sewer goes from right underneath the elevator. So it's like a lot of small things take consume, and it took a year and a half to finish this project. But this project was decided when I was in our temple, involved in temple. So Arvind Bhai, it is a dream project of Arvind Bhai, and another Arvind Bhai is a big supporter of this project. So thank you Arvind Bhai, and thank you all donors who help us.
This project, as everyone said, started back in 2019 and earlier than that, and I would say this is addition to the temple. It is a great help to the senior community and all the people who come for the darshan. They will have no issue going up and down now because we have the elevator.
And today is a special day. Our dream came true, and all the seniors are so excited, and we really all appreciate all the trustees, all the donors who have helped us to make our dream true.
So thank you very much. And before we conclude this small meeting here, I once again want to congratulate as well as appreciate the contribution of Ragini Srivastavji, who is serving as town clerk for Safa County. And now you heard all of these committee members, and there is a sense of feeling of family which one feels. There are individuals who work with selfless approach. Now, coming to this temple, what has been your experience? You have been a frequent, if I say, visitor or darshanarthi here.
Yes. Thank you so much, Ashok ji. Like you said, that I have been a frequent visitor, always very closely. I felt a different kind of connection with Vaishnav Temple. And I would like to start by saying that congratulations to all of you, to the trustees, to the sponsors, to the supporters, and all the hard work. And one thing you definitely need to accomplish something like this big is the faith and belief and the determination that this is absolutely necessary for the benefit of people, and we are here to get it done. So thank you. And like you said, the one thing, like I always come, what I felt is that sense of community. And each of you who just spoke, I'm thanking all of you for your contribution to build this community and to strengthen and to preserve. And that's why on a regular basis, we need people like you who are, I would say, the torch bearers, who can bring light to the people. So thank you.
I just want to say about Ragini ji, she's always with us. Anytime we have any issue, we talk to her. She always comes to us. We don't have to go to her. And thank you for all the help and support.
Yeah. So now, because we are standing here right under the feet of Srinathji, we will say 3 times Sri Krishna Sharanam Mama, then Giraj Dharan Ki Jai. How about that? Yeah. So let's begin. Sri Krishna Sharanam Mama, Sri Krishna Sharanam Mama, Sri Krishna Sharanam Mama, Jai Sri Krishna Sharanam Mama, Sri Krishna Sharanam Mama, Sri Krishna Sharanam Mama, Sri Krishna Sharanam Mama, Jai Sri Krishna Sharanam Mama, Giraj Dharan Ki Jai, Giraj Nath Ki Jai, Aaj ke Anand Ki Jai.
ओ तारा बिन श्याम ने एक लागे रासे भगवानी तारा बिन श्याम ने एक लागे रासे भगवानी तारा बिन श्याम एक लागे तारा बिन श्याम एक लागे रासे रमवाने वेलो आवजे रासे रमवाने वेलो आवजे करबे घूमती गोपियो सुनिते गोकुल निशे करबे घूमती गोपियो सुनिते गोकुल निशे सुनी सुनी शेरियो माँ गोकुल की गलियों माँ सुनी सुनी शेरियो माँ गोकुल की गलियों माँ रासे रमवाने वेलो तारा बिन श्याम एक लागे रासे रमवाने रे काला ओ तन चाहो रे काला ओ तन चाहो तारा बिन मेरा लागे हाथ जी what you do is funny oh तारा बिन मेरा लागे हाथ जी what you do is funny ये द्वारिका नो नाथ मानो राजा रे छोड़ से एने मन माया लगाई रे हलो ये सुदामनो मित्र मनो राजा रे छोड़ से एने मन माया लगाई रे तेरे मने माया लगाई माया तेरे मने माया लगाई रे सुदामन मित्र मन राजा रन छोड़ दे तेरे मन माया लगाई रे हे राधानो श्याम मारू गिरवर गोपाल से तेरे मन माया लगाई रे भजमन श्री राधे भजमन श्री राधे भजमन श्री राधे के रसियो रूपालो रंग रेलियो गिरे जाओ गमतो नदी मारे माथे से यमुना जी की हेल रे मारे माथे से यमुना जी की हेल रे गिरे जाओ गमतो नदी कान रसियो रूपालो रंग रेलियो गिरे जाओ गमतो ओ रंग रसिया प्यार જાગરો ક્યારે હે કૃષ્ણ ભગવાન હાલ્યા દ્વારકાને માઈ કૃષ્ણ ભગવાન હાલ્યા દ્વારકાને માઈ લીધો રે મણિયારા વાળો લીધો મણિયારા વાળો લીધો મણિયારા વાળો હે કે હું તો તને વારુયા દિયો મણિયારા કે હું તો તને વારુયા દિયો મણિયારા તમે ભરવાડના ભાણે જ મળવા આવો સુધીર વરસા મળ્યા મારા હીરા ઘર મોરલા ઉડી જાજે મારા હીરા ઘર મોરલા ઉડી જાજે હે ઉડી જાજે જાજે ઉડી જાજે જાજે ઉડી જાજે હવે વડલે જાજે રે મારા હીરા ઘર મારા માડી ઘર મારા હીરા ઘર મોરલા ઉડી જાજે મારી નાક તેરી નસડી લેતો જાજે લેતો જાજે જાજે લેતો રે જાજે જાજે લેતો રે જાજે એ હવે વડલે જાજે રે મારા હીરા ઘર મારા ભાઈ ઘર મારા હીરા ઘર મોરલા ઉડી જાજે હવાવન હોન મુજે અજગર રૂપો એ હવાવન હોન મુજે અજગર રૂપો એ હાહુજી તમે મોમચ કુર્યા કેમ રે હાહુજી તમે મોમચ કુર્યા કે નથી મારા હરે ઘડાવી ટીગડી રે મારા નેડા મારે એ હાલો તાકી ગયા હાલો હેલો મારો સાંભળો રણુ જાના રાજા હેલો મારો સાંભળો રણુ જાના રાજા હુકમ કરો તો બીજી જાતરાઈ જાય મારો હેલો એ મારો હેલો સાંભળો ઓ જી મારો હેલો સાંભળો વાણિયની જાતરાએ જા વાણિયની જાતરાએ જાય માન દેખી ચોરીની વાહે વાહે જાય મારો હેલો એ મારો હેલો સાંભળો કાનોડો માગ્યો ને જસોદા મૈયા મોહન માગ્યો આજની રાતે અમે રંગ ભેદ રમશો પરબાતે પાછો મેલી દેશુ ને જસોદા મૈયા કાનોડો માગ્યો ને જસોદા મોહન માગ્યો એ રાવણ સૈનિકો રાજીલો હો પ્રગટ મેઘ પ્રમાણ हाला सीतारा हाथ वकारे ए पति तारा भोगड़ा वकारे ए रणसिंगा वागे सुता जागे रणसिंगा वागे सुता जागे कायन भागे काम पड़े दम की दर्दे भोजो बंदे किना सदर देगे अर्धोनी हाथे भोजो भागे जोरे जागे मैदाने बलवा अवसर बलवा भरत नसु बलराम चले हे हाला सीतारा ए हाला सीतारा हाथ वकारो ए पति तारा भोगड़ा जग जगती धारा भोजी अंगारा जगती धारा भोजनारा तो बहारा पोकारा लागे डरदारा श्रेष्ठता आगे देगा होगारा जगती राजा तो ये गाया ये मामिका को मैदाने बनवा अवसर बल भरत सुमरम चले हाला सीतारा ए हाला हाथ वकारो ए पति तारा
ये सावरिया लेना
क्या
का नाम है सावरिया
श्री कृष्ण शरणम मम श्री कृष्ण शरणम मम श्री कृष्ण शरणम मम
राधे भाई साहब आपका पिक्चर ले रहा है मेरा नहीं आपका ले रहा है नहीं आपका भी हो जा रहा है
श्री गोवर्धन
वल्लभा की जय। लाडले लाल की जय,
आज के आनंद
की जय.